Hey guys, I hope all is well. My name is Akaya. I am a hairdresser. I do men's hair, I do kids' hair, and I do all type of hair. But in this video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be two-strand twisting my VIP client's hair. He let me know that he feel his hair has really been growing from getting two-strand twists done. And plus I got growing hands. Yes, I have growing hands. But I'm telling you guys, this is an excellent protective style. So if you're looking for a easy style, especially being a man, because you know it's very hard to find different styles for men, but two-strand twist is a excellent style. He let me know that it's so simple to get down and it's just so easy for him to be able to get up each and every day to go to work and his hair be done. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to be doing his hair. What I like to do is I like to actually section off his hair first, and then I like to be able to go in and two-strand twist it. It's just something about sectioning the hair that makes it so much easier to be able to do. You get to see what's going on, what needs to be where, and all that good stuff. When you are doing two-strand twist, you most definitely want to treat the hair like it is a puzzle. You put in every piece where it go. So being able to section it off makes it so much easier. So what I want you to do, guys, I want you to sit back, relax, and let me show you how I do his two-strand twist. And what's so funny is maybe I'm going to say maybe about 2-3 months ago, probably about maybe 3 months ago, when I say his whole hair was kind of broke off in the middle. But now when I say his hair has grown back so much, so I'm telling you, not only is this a great protective style, this is also a great style to make your hair be able to grow. So again, if you want to be able to check this out, and a woman also, you don't have to be a man, because I'm telling you, two-strand twist, anytime you have natural hair, makes it so much easier. What you can do is you can wear the two-strand twist for maybe about 4 to 5 weeks, and then take them down, wear a twist out. So you got a whole 6 weeks for a whole style. So I'm telling you, sit back, relax, check this out. And if you do two-strand twist and you like two-strand twist, comment below so our viewers can know how good two-strand twist is. But if you are looking for someone to do them for you, I would love to do them for you. I am in the Dallas, Georgia area, not too far from Atlanta. I would love to be able to do your hair. Contact me now and I'll put all my information in the video description box. And once I do get done, let me know, guys, if this video is helping you. Go ahead and put AV below if this video is adding value for you. Okay, sit back, relax, check it out, and thank you so much for watching, guys. And another thing, I almost forgot to tell you guys, I do not blow dry my clients' hair at all. I am a no blow dry salon. I believe not having to add heat to it, but if you're one of those people that like to add heat, by all means do it. What I like to use is I like to use water, oil, and I also like to use grease and mousse. Unfortunately, I am out of mousse, so I am just dipping my hands in water and a little bit of gel. And a little bit of gel. I mixed it up together since I don't have the mousse, and I just use it exactly like I would a mousse. And you only use a little bit, but when I say that is the best. So if you ever run out of mousse, get you some water, put a little bit of gel in it, and I'm telling you, it activate the hair just as good. Okay? Keep on continue to watch. Just wanted to tell you that quick tip.